We're hopefully going to Newlands Pass.
Yeah,
so
we go then.
It's near Keswick.
It's near Keswick.
Helen's as patient as ever.
Going on a big bike ride up a big hill that's on a map that I stupidly bought Gareth as a Christmas present. And guess who's now doing big hills with Gareth? Stupid me.
Newlands Pass, if we get there. Looks pretty. I've been near there before. Should be good. And I think it's 25%. See you in a bit. Is it hard?
I'll find out for yourself, go for it.
Go on then, show us what you can do.
I want one of these to go. Yeah, I'm definitely not.
Can you do one of them, please?
No.
Come on.
Every second, every minute, we were high on life. Didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all
We're debating whether I should keep going because the weather, it says it's going to rain, and I don't know if it's going to be thoroughly miserable trying to do my first proper climb. Do you think I should do it?
Yep.
It's got colder, weather's closing in, but we're right near this pass. I really want to have a go, even though the gravel bike's not got as easy a gear as you think. I just know it's going to start, yeah, it started to rain. I knew it would do this. Ah. The hill by itself is just not going to be hard enough. I thought it would rain.
Yeah. Just as we get here as well.
Where's Helen? The weather's got quite bad. Like, to be continued. We've abandoned, haven't we? Rained off. We're in a pub. Still got quite a ways to go home. Soaked.
I've just been in the toilet and used the hand dryer.
To warm up. It's not a bad idea, actually. Newlands Pass, take 2. Weather's better. Helen's staying behind, so I'm going to try and get over there, see what it's like on the old gravel bike. And I've had a decent punch. I've had to put my first ever plug in. There you go. Plugged. See if that works. Definitely warmer and drier. The view. Start ascending to get to Newlands Pass. Having Helen along makes it a lot less boring. She nearly came this time. Again, just going to wait at the top for me. Her bike wasn't fully charged though, so it's a bit dodgy. That's the easy side, 21%. I think that's the easy side. Yeah, is this the easy side as well? It's a bit of a problem sitting down on that last bit, keeping the front wheel down. 21% that said he got up to, yeah. Tailwind on the way home to Keswick will be good. I think I've missed the ice cream at the bottom. When I go down here, there's only one way back. This or Honest to Pass, so this is it. Beginning of Newlands Pass. 1.19 miles of climbing with some max gradient of 25%, which is the bit that worries me. I'm only on 13 now. I was on 17% a minute ago. I'm just trying to save myself for the 25. I want to try and do this without stopping. So hard. So hard. So hard. I can't believe it. Just went bang. I want to finish this climb without stopping. Please have air. Please have air in the tyre. I want to do this. Tyre's so flat. I don't want to break the rim. It's still spurting. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, it's the top. Come on, tyre. Come on. Okay, the other plug popped out. Plug number 2. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Top of, is it Newlands Pass, isn't it? I think top of Newlands Pass. Just met a lovely chap. Helped me fix my wheel. There's another plug. I want to go home without any dramas. Do I cut the tails on that? I just don't know. Does that mean I need a new tyre?
Next.
I reckon it might be 30 psi. Let's go down this 21% hill. Definitely down a lot quicker than it is up. If you're any good with them plugs, can you know, how much of tail do you leave out? Do you trim the end of the tail? How do you pull the plug out without it all coming out? I had to shove my fingers on both ends of the tail and pull the plug, and it was quite tricky. I'm using lysine plugs. Definitely cleared the hole. Nothing in the hole. It's a big old hole. Anyway, it must have sealed a bit because air in the tyre still. I wasn't on the rim. I guess at that low pressure it had enough, the sealant was good enough to seal. Don't know. Summer's coming. Finally. Nearly back. So, Newlands Pass, up and down both sides done. It's only a 20-mile ride, but over 800 metres of elevation, which for me is pretty good. So quite climby for 20, just over 20. Getting rained off yesterday, messing about on the pump track. My plug not staying in. Popping out on the kicker, timing was amazing. I reckon because I had quite high pressure and it got quite steep, that put more pressure on the back wheel with my body weight. I'm not the lightest rider. That probably blew it out. Anyway, hopefully I'll put it in better. We'll see, but I might buy another tyre. Lovely day to finish a holiday. Check out that view. Yeah, nice part of the world. When you're not getting hailed on in shorts and t-shirt. Yeah. See you on the next one. Bye.